the development of this nation with MPP flag bearership 1111. Now, Maminka Sembi na minya interview me ba me di nyame asembe bro. MPP muntie. MPP for muntie ni yi. Mamunye mistake da ense some flag bearer na odi mu anim no. Mo ba report o me nka na da o. Muntie ni yi. Sabe. Ghana no, your western part, your northern part, your eastern part, your greater part, your Ashanti part. Baby, ni pe free biara. So ye Ghana ni die. Odi adie ye. MPP nsha na munyi tribal politics amoye ni free. Na Ghana for the woman she. Ghana, they are watching you people. Me unu ye nka mo ba ye mo ba to ba na mo yi. Obiama na bedi party n'anima mo the policies se we gina wa won kan de obetumi ayede aboa party when kan de obetumi ayede aboa party ade na ba afede as a mo say party ni more because all of you wants to become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party na ba eti dia mo kikekai na ba akukọ wini a ebede na ba akwatumi ya support no said dia mo yam niam MP bro and penifo woman form na hisi form because a bit more agenda some omube destroy party no a bit more serious agenda some be say party no na mamin can be o say MPP mu ye mistakes some flag bearer Ghana for hwemu mo ba regret it mo ba tin opposition be say 20 years a strategy and the nipa bi na ma sofo bi so eye meka asemu ebio MPP and lusu abatu amoto ya ne just because of bad performance but because of part no mu fo no mu asem and MPP elusu poto and they are still doing the same thing to bring the party down. Delegate mama money na ho mama money na ho na enipa bi wo party no ma wo ma je pass on be se party no kura mama money na ho me kebio say Ghana hana ye wono sese ya Ghana sese ya ye wom no we your mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ewie na juma the best choice Ghana betimi do mani atoso Dr. BAWUMIA say o mampani wie na juma the best choice na Ghana ni bia hwede ye koso MPP ma delegate asem Emma mon say party no Ghana ni da so Ghana ni bia wo ye badwene ba ebe hunu se Mahama o mampani His Excellency Gonja this year say owie na dwuma the best choice Ghana betimi do mani atoso Dr. BAWUMIA now there is agenda bia koso den na NDC for emom na fight for somebody to become a flag bearer because they know say it will be a cheaper side. Chairman Bokodia. The Meldo Papa, the Biabokopa. Yeah, yes, was it.
When you are here in the Ashanti region, I'm telling you, it's one among parts, serious and among. Some of my colleagues are a little bit troubled, especially those who are they are troubled, and rightly so. Rightly so. Because about Ashanti region, you mobilize the forces in your constituency back one. Will be some way to easy. You shake it all walk. And I want to say yes or no anti form. And
from the unim on the ground, no say 31st January in Ashanti region. Votes percentage based on which me puliama BAWUMIA.
Our Ashanti region inquire, yes. Obi, men percent less speculative, but I can sincerely tell you, say, in Ashanti region, it will not be less than 70%. It won't be less.
It will not be less than 70.
It will not be less than 70%. Obi, our football. I'm telling you. You were from papa. And yet and you're connecting with the people who vote. And yes, you're behind Crawford. Normal your social media, trend you go on one twaba and what to near go about to social media. And I say behind Crawford, normal by your rabble routers. Debbie, that is not what we are doing. We are connecting with the people who are going to make the decisions, which is the delegates. The delegates. One more twaba. One more
in the last primaries 2023, you know, Ashanti region BAWUMIA percentage saying okay. But was it more than 70 or at least or rough?
I guess so. I think we were just around that figure.
Around that same figure.
Yeah.
The legitimate question would be, say, at the time, some even 3 MPs near Ashanti na Steka, Stephen Amoa, Kweku Kwating, and Ejeso MP, no. At the time, they had not declared for Kenny Japan. I don't think there was any MP who were declared publicly ama Kenny Japan. And Ken got the numbers in Ashanti region. With they coming out to declare, no, and change the dynamics, no, Emma.
At all. It doesn't change the dynamics. It doesn't change the dynamics. It's just that my colleagues be constituency, market, no, and I wouldn't want to speak to it or discuss it or anything of that sort. I don't think that it will be that respectful for me to do that, right? But the only thing I can say is that we are really on the ground in those constituencies.
Okay. Okay. Very well. Honorable, my
minority for your parliament. Out of 87 MPs, your parliament, a move 65, Yakaya any Akuma Kroba, say they support the band of Tamamudu Bawumia. Yenti Ayaya Jeba, Niaya Kumaba, any Bibia Bakone say, a new patriotic party, I will know. Ye war, ye sister dear, ye faswa, ye bemo be ye flag bearer, ye party, ye mo 1996. Ye president for 1 term, or for 2nd term, and I don't put your war and premier son, ye man be ye flag bearer, ye new patriotic party. Ye wo GD and ye deserve, ye wo GD and ye GD say, obi a deserve 2nd chance, na brabo. Osha Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, na ho brasie, na ho fama, said ya waka nipa bom, on titi nipa ntemuti no, and na out of 87, no, emu 65, ya adwene kro, eni akoma kro, se nyankopon ya adoma, na erade ma ye nkwa, 31st January, ebe ye 2026, no, ye nyina ye ka ye ntoma abom, ye de support, elta ye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi, amena ba be ye flag bearer, e de ama new patriotic party. Ye wie so ye be adwumaden na ya boye ho modern say 2028 no ye be win power e de abenti ye wie mu ho ye wa ha oye honorable apprentice abobo MP star e support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abobo obi adi ye mpe propaganda ene nkrofo betena ase akasa ye for so wo mu ninti no out of 63 MPs na ya abobo wo mu nyina adi no ye de wo mu picture e ba out so obi free say ye for so na omra out emeka entimu ho ye wa ha eye minority MPs no ene ye de support amaye round Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so on be flag bearer of the party. Yeah.